Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to change your display in a channel video chat on the Telegram app for PC with the latest update. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once you're in, navigate to the channel where you want to start the video chat. This could be any channel you manage or have access to. Next, look at the top of the channel window. There you'll see a few icons. Click on the call icon, which is the middle icon among those options. This opens the live communication options for the channel. From the menu, choose Start Live Stream. This option lets you broadcast yourself live directly in the channel. Now, Telegram will ask you to choose your account to continue with the live stream. Select your account and then click Continue to proceed. Once the live stream window is open, find the three dots icon for more settings. Click on it and select the Display Me as option from the drop-down menu. Here's where you can customize how you appear in the video chat. You can choose from different display options based on your preferences or what you want viewers to see. After making your choice, be sure to click Save so your new display setting is applied. And that's it. You've successfully changed your display in a channel video chat on Telegram for PC with the new update. This feature helps you control how you present yourself during live streams and channels, making your experience more personalized and engaging. If you want to switch your display again, just repeat these steps anytime during your live stream session. Thanks for watching.